In today's video we want to see how we can replace styles in a document, paragraph styles. And first let's apply them. So for example, this is a title. Let's apply the style title. For subtitle, heading 1, another subtitle, heading 1. And we have some observation. Let's suppose I have heading 3. Okay, so you can see it's different from heading 1. And now what I want, let's suppose I have a lot of heading 3, another observation, and here I have again heading 3, and so on. So what I want is I want to remove heading 3 to change to heading 1, the same, okay, to have just one kind of headings. If I activate, for example, Spotlight, you can see I have the green subtitles, and with this dark color I have heading 3. And another thing, if you notice, I have a different kind of paragraph. I have a default paragraph for this one, and I have a body text for this one. So we could do a correction here using find and replace. So let's see. We can go to Edit, Find and Replace, or we have the shortcut Ctrl-H. In order to replace styles, you need to check this option, Paragraph Styles. So now we can see here just paragraph styles that are available in the document, and here paragraph styles that can be used for replace in this dialog. So it's very important to check this option, Paragraph Styles. And now what we want to replace this body text with this one, or maybe reverse. So let's replace default paragraph style with body text to be like here. Let's see, find all. So we can see it's finding, and replace with body text, replace all. Oh, it worked now. So everything is green. What I want now, I want just to have green subtitles like here, and not this one. So heading 3 should be replaced by heading 1. So heading 3 I want to be replaced with heading 1. Find all first to see them, okay, and now replace all. Now let's check our document. Let's remove here. So I have just a green document, except my title where I have another color. So I succeeded replacing different kinds of paragraph text with just one. And also here you can see I have a heading 1, and before was a heading 3. If I want now, if all the heading 1 to become heading 3, very easy, again, heading 1, heading 3, find all, you can see, replace all. So now all my document is changed very easy. So thanks for watching, please subscribe for more video. Thank you.